to find this particular value. You just have a look. This problem is bit different and you need to use your complete algebraic skill to solve this problem. And this is previously asked problem from different state level competitions. First of all, to solve this problem, you just try to observe the question. How the numerator is there and how the denominator is. See, when you observe both numerator as well denominator, see the difference between the numbers. See, here we have 10, 22, 34, 46 and 58. See, there is a difference of 12 between those numbers. Similarly, for the denominator also 4, 16, 28. Okay, 16 plus 12 is 28, plus 12 is 40, plus 12 is 54. That's one observation. And the other observation is every term is of the format some number to the power 4 plus 324. Okay. So first of all, we need to to solve this type of problems, we need to split each and every term, both from the numerator as well as from denominator. Okay. First of all, what I do is, I will consider an expression of the form some n power 4 plus 324. Okay. Just observe carefully, and because of the space, after this simplification I will erase everything. Okay. And that's why just have a look. See, first of all, I am just trying to factorize n power 4 plus 324. See, n power 4 plus 324 is simply nothing but n square whole square plus 18 square. Is it right? 18 square is 320 square. So n square whole square is plus 18 square, because 18 square is 324. And since it is n square whole square plus 18 square, see, it is of the format a square plus b square. So a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a is n square, b is 18, a plus b whole square minus 2 into n square into 18. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay. And 2 18s is 36 n square. 36 n square is 6 n whole square. So this is equals to n square plus 18 whole square minus 6n whole square. Is it clear? And now, see, again use a square minus b square and a plus b into a minus b. This time this is n square plus 18 minus 6n into n square plus 18 plus 6n. Okay, I think you all familiar with this factorization. Okay, and now this is equals to n square minus 6n can be written as n into n minus 6. Observe very carefully. Okay, this is very interesting point here. N square minus 6n is n into n minus 6 and plus 18. Here n square plus 18 plus 6n is simply nothing but n into n plus 6 plus 18. Then n into n minus 6 plus 18 as well as n into n plus 6 plus 18. Is it clear? You just have a look. So we need to express each and every term. We need to split each and every term of both numerator as well as denominator with this particular factorization. So at the end we have this n power 4 plus 324 as n into n minus 6 plus 18 into n into n plus 6 plus 18. It helps a lot in finding this particular value. Okay, everybody just have a look. Okay, go with the screenshot or otherwise just note down fastly. And now I am going to erase this for the space. So finally what I have? Finally I have n power 4 plus 324 is equals to n into n minus 6 plus 18 into n into n plus 6 plus 18. This is the product of two expressions. Okay, right. And now just look at the problem. Now, see, given problem is equals to, see, look at this first one, 10 power 4 plus 324, here n value is 10. So replace n with 10. If you replace n with 10, what will happen? N with 10, right? So 10 into, because see, I am just using dot for multiplication. 10 into 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 18 into 10 into 16 plus 18. Just I replaced n with 10. In the same way, you need to replace, you need to write each and everything, right? So now 22 power 4. So this is nothing but you need to replace n with 22. 22 into 22 minus 6. 22 minus 6 is 16 plus 18 into 22 into 28 plus 18. And the next thing, 34 power 4 plus 324. And that is 34 into, because of the space I am continuing here, okay? 34 into 34 minus 6. What is 34 minus 6? It is again 28, right? 34 into 28 plus 18 into 34 into 40 plus 18. Replacing n with 34. Now, see, factorize this by replacing n with 46. If you replace n with 46, what will happen? 46 into 46 minus 6 is 40 plus 18 into 46 into, 46 plus 6, which means 52 plus 18. Still I need to mention two terms for this 58 power 4 plus 324. Okay, how to mention all these two terms? 58 into 58 minus 6 is 52 plus 18 into 58 into 58 plus 6 is what? 64 plus 8. So this is what numerator of the given problem. Okay, so this total part is divided by, now I need to express denominator, every term of denominator just by using same factorization. Okay, so 4 power 4 plus 324, use n with 4, right, n with 4. So 4 into 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 18 into, we are using 4 into 4 plus 6, 10 plus 18. Next, replace n with 16. Do it fast. 16 into 10 plus 18. You are using 16. 16 into 16 plus 6 is 22 plus 18. And then use n as 28 now. So 28 into 28 minus 6 is 22 plus 18 into 28 into 26 plus 34, 18. After that 40. Okay. 40 into 40 minus 6, 34 plus 18 into 40 into 40 plus 6, 46 plus 18. And the next thing is 52. 52 into 52 minus 6. 52 minus 6 is 46 plus 18 into 52 into 52 plus 6, 58 plus 18. Now I think we have the next idea. We have numerator and denominator, just try to cancel out the common things. Okay, so 10 into 4 plus 18 gets cancelled. 10 into 16 plus 18 gets cancelled. 16 into 22 plus 18. 22 into 28 plus 18. And then 34 into 28 plus 18. 34 into 40 plus 18. 46 into 40 plus 18. 46 into 52 plus 18. And then 52 into 58 plus 18. Everything gets cancelled. Now you left with what? From numerator you left with this 58 into 64 plus 18. And from denominator you left with 4 into minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 plus 18 is 10. Okay. So this is your final answer for this problem. And to calculate the simplified value for the given problem is completely based on this particular factorization. Okay. Everybody have a look. This problem is very simple. You need to observe the pattern involved in the problem. You need to know the factorization for the 10 power 4 plus 324. Okay, that's it.